Imagine Your Dream. We're just on our way to Huntsville, to Arrowhead Provincial Park. For the weekend, we took Friday off, and we're going to be there until Sunday. So nice to have basically almost 3 days there. So should be a good time. So we're just cruising on the way there as we speak. No traffic. So it's we were there last year. It was a good time. Big park, as I say, and so we're quite looking forward to some good hiking trails and whatnot. So it should be a good weekend. Alright, so we made it to Arrowhead, which is great. We got on our spot. Perfect spot. It's woods all around us. Trailer's in a great spot. So we had a problem with the slide out again, so we had to lube the gears on the motors. So that's happened to us a couple times. So I got a hold of Lazy Acres in Seabright, Ontario, where we bought the trailer. So if you ever have that problem, check out the motors on top of the slide out and put some spray some grease in there. So we had to use a manual override to get it out all the way out and then grease the motor. So anyways, it's fixed now, so we're happy about that. So we're just gonna do some chilling, just relaxing, and then probably do a little bit of adventuring. So far so good. It's Friday afternoon.
We could get to funding. They have no radio.
Yeah, no, there probably won't be good radio service. So it's just after 5 o'clock at night. Taking the dogs for a walk in this mosquito-infested park. It's all good though. So just heading down to an area where they have some cabins. Thinking about maybe coming here. In the winter, maybe for New Year's. You can rent cabins. So, anyways, gonna check that out. So after a day of swatting mosquitoes and still swatting mosquitoes, we're just sitting enjoying the fire. We had a nice meal tonight, and we're hoping tomorrow's going to be a nice day. So what's up for tomorrow?
Hiking.
Hiking and swatting mosquitoes. Yeah, we're going to do some hiking. There's some good trails here, so we're hoping to hit some of them, unless the mosquitoes and the deer flies aren't too bad, and they're pretty bad. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. The dogs are inside the trailer right now because we're just giving them a break from all of
They've been eaten alive.
Yeah, it's pretty bad for them. So it's break time for them, and then I guess some break time for us too, right? good meal, good fire, so should be a good weekend. Supposed to get some rain tomorrow, hopefully not, so we'll see what that brings. So peace. Saturday morning, we're just gonna head into town. I need to get some gas before we head back tomorrow, so it's a lot easier if I just whip into town here. So it's about 10 minutes away, so here we go. So from here we're going to go back into the park and do the Stubbs Trail hike with the dogs. It's not too long. I think it's about 2 kilometers, so we'll do that and see how we make out. Maybe we'll do another one and go from there. Alright, so we're arrived here at Stubbs Falls. Got it way down there, it is. Quite low. We're gonna go down these steps. Let's go. Here we go. All the way down. I got Gabby, she's good with it. Alright, here's the view to my right, a creek flow in. And there's part of the falls there.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
got home from our hike and came back, had some lunch, and just enjoyed each other's company as always. So then I got a phone call from my daughter Courtney. She was out in Duncan, BC, so thank you, Courtney, for calling me. Really appreciate that. Makes my day, that's for sure. I love talking to you. So we're gonna get some dinner ready tonight, do some steaks on the grill. It's been a beautiful day here at Arrowhead Provincial Park, which is amazing. We just had a bit of a tailgate party that I don't want to record every tailgate, but you saw the one from the last video. Pretty much the same thing, so that was a lot of fun. So moving forward, we're just going to eat and have a fire tonight, which is great, which is like we always like to do. So everything in the trailer's good. Still having some issues with my slide out, so I'm not sure where that's going. Maybe I'll have to call next week and find out, because the information they told me to do, greasing the gear, didn't really work. So the trailer's a 2016. We've had it one season, so this is our second season with it, so I'm not really sure why we're getting these failures on that, but hopefully we can get that solved soon, because we have quite a bit of camping all summer. Every weekend actually until beginning of October, so be a lot of videos coming your way, so we're looking forward to that as well. Alright, so Saturday night we are cooking some steaks on the barb. We got some mushrooms going, some veg inside, some salad. Everything's great. Having a good meal coming up. Heading over to that campfire soon. We'll get some shots at the campfire. Wrap up the evening. Back at you tomorrow morning for our exit. Later. Alright, so just getting the fire going here tonight. So Saturday night, everything's good. Just finished dinner. Cooking up the fire. Heather's just out with the dogs. Taking Claire and Lucy out for a walk so Lucy can get her thing done. You know what I mean if you're a dog owner. Anyways, I met up with a neighbor of mine. Haven't seen him in a long time, probably like 12 or 13 years. So he's just camping on the other side of the park, across the road. So that was really cool. Gabby's checking us out while we're filming this. So anyways, we're gonna get a fire going and we'll catch you on the fireside. Alright, so we got the fire going. Heather's inside just getting a couple drinks, so having a fun night. Everything's great. Claire's here, Lucy's there, Gabby's inside. So awesome, thanks for watching. We'll be back in the morning, don't leave yet. We'll be back soon in a blink of an eye. See ya. Alright, so that's a wrap for the weekend here at Arrowhead Provincial Park. We had a great time, a lot of fun this weekend camping here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a lot more to come all summer, so give me a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. So take care, and we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.